Hello, little artists! Are you ready to draw something super cute today? Yay! Let's draw a builder bear building a tiny house. Grab your crayons and let's begin.
Welcome to Tiny Hands Art.
First, let's draw the head, nice and round. Now, draw 2 ears and add a helmet on top. Builder bear is ready to work. Next, draw the face. Add the eyes, the nose, and a happy smile. Now draw the hands and the body. Look, Builder Bear is kneeling down. Let's draw the blocks. Stack, stack, stack. Builder Bear is building a little house. Great job! Now, it's time to color. First, color the eyes and the nose. Look, the bear is watching the drawing. Now, add glitter brown to the face, ears, and body. So shiny. Next, color glitter yellow on the helmet, the mouth, and the shirt. Now color blue on the full body clothes. Add glitter red to the top of the building. Color orange on the blocks. Green goes on the remaining block parts. Finally, color the floor gold. Yay! Your Builder Bear and little house are all done. You did an amazing job today. Keep drawing, keep coloring, and keep smiling. Bye-bye, little artists.